Alright, so today, hopefully it's successful. What we're going to do right now is go get the van, or the SUV, whatever. Some cold start action. Oh yeah, let it air up. Good height-wise. It's decent now. Just gotta let the car warm up. Gonna go grab the van, take the front wheels off, and grab the tires, swap them over, put them on the car, then actually, before I do that, I'll probably put the side skirts on, since the front wheels will already be off. And then I'll take the rear wheels off, secure it behind, and then that's probably it. Actually, I probably will also put the, hopefully you guys can get the rear M3 diffuser bottom thing, because I'm tired of looking at that. And after that, I'll put the car back together, possibly test drive it, and then that's it. That'll be the video. Oh, and wash the cars, because I ordered a new hose and foam gun and all that, so I'll be washing the Skyline. I may do that as a second video and double upload today, or save that video for tomorrow. But however it goes, you guys will see it. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Okay, so yeah, this is way too much stretch. Definitely not what I was looking for. So yet again, I'm gonna have to grab some different tires and probably just set these aside or something. I don't even know, man. I did not think it would be that much, so I'm gonna have to go up to a 225/35 instead of a 215/35. I should have known before, because I had a 225/40 and it was too much, so I should have just went down 5 millimeters in width or profile. I forget what it's called, but regardless, yeah, I went way too small. So yeah, because I forgot Nankings, they're like, the way that they're made, they're a little different. But if I had like the same brand of tire that I had before, it would have stretched differently and it wouldn't be so extreme looking. So that's where my problem is. So I guess I'll just throw these on for now, and then wait until tomorrow. Not tomorrow, but like whenever, because I'll probably try and drive on these for a little while and not hit any potholes, and just hope and pray it lasts, because this is very bad. Because like one good pothole, these wheels are done. So yeah, I definitely got to watch out for that. But I guess I'll just put the wheels on, well, the side skirts on, then the wheels, then the rear M3 bumper thing, and that's it. Oh yeah, and wash the car. But yeah, okay, so that's it right here. I'm most likely just gonna go to a 225/35, because I can't do this much stretch. Like, to match the stretch in the rear, that would be perfect, and I'm pretty sure that's what it would do when I go up 10 millimeters and Width. I believe it's width. But yeah, I'll match the stretch, roll the fenders, and then I'll be all set. And then I'll get an alignment, because I'm pretty sure I need one. And granted, even though it's kind of dumb to do an alignment when I'm just going to put the air suspension on, it's like, I don't know. But I don't know. But I'm pretty sure I'm going to need to drive it a couple times. Unless, I don't know. But just for safekeeping, I'll just do what I got to do. But yeah, it looks just so small. I definitely need some more tire, because that's just not it. Unless I do like 235/30, then it'll probably work. Or even 245/30, because I really just want a wider width and then a lower, like, you know, thingy. So I'm pretty sure one of those will work. And it's kind of annoying, because every kind of tire stretches differently, so you don't even know exactly what it's going to look like until you do it. But for now, I guess it's good, just for me to drive around a couple times. But yeah, I was too lazy to put the side skirts on, mainly because it needs like 2 hands. And yeah, so I'll just do that another time. But I am going to put the rear M bumper thingy on, that's for sure. Okay, so boom, put the M3 rear bumper thingy on. It just makes the back look like a billion times better. So that's all set. And now I'm going to like attempt to just like test drive the car just to see. I'm probably not really going to take it anywhere, but yeah. Okay, so yeah, take a look at this wheel. Super cambered, right? And then take a look at this wheel, not cambered. So yeah, there's definitely a big problem. Hopefully it's nothing crazy, but yeah, that's very bad. I'm pretty sure like a bolt came loose or something, but this is definitely screwed up. So I gotta figure out what's wrong with it. If not, I'm gonna have to bring it to a shop and get it towed and then see what's wrong with it. Jesus. So yeah, I knew it was something because it was riding very weird, and I'm trying to figure out how they made it 3.5 to 4 hours here for the car to get like this. Maybe it's like the top bushing or something, but yeah, that's very ungood. Okay, so looks like one of the front TCKLINEs either broke or something, but yeah, that's not how it's supposed to be. So that's very bad. So yeah, this could have literally been like one of the worst things that's ever happened to me. Like, I'm pretty sure if I went even a couple more feet or anything, this whole thing, like, because the coilover is like literally broken, so I'm pretty sure the screw that goes in the top is not there. So like, yeah, that's real bad, like really bad. So I don't even know what I might do is just leave the car here for a little while, like till tomorrow or Friday, and just like start doing the bag install, unless I just put the 2 front coilovers that I have on, which are these, and they have camber adjustment and stuff. I could, but it's just like I really don't know if I want to do that just to take it off and then put the other one on again. Like, I don't know. I'll just see if I can get somebody here to help me. I'll just do the bags. So yeah, I'll hit a couple people up and see what the word is. Maybe we could get it done this weekend. Or like, if I just can't be axed, if somebody will take like a couple hundred, well, even like $300 or so, I'll just pay somebody to do it, or pay somebody to help me and call it that. But yeah, it's most likely what's gonna have to happen, because this is just, oh man. Yeah, so I've just made the executive decision to put the car in jack stands wait till a couple of my people come back and just bang out the bag install, because E36 bag installs are easy since the battery is in the back. So you just set everything up, make a little makeshift trunk setup, temporary, whatever, hang everything up. And since the car is basically all gutted anyway, for the most part, it's going to be super easy. So I'm just going to do that. I may just literally do the whole interior and the bags and everything, and then have the car ready to to be sent out. Because what I'm considering doing is getting like a half cage or something welded in. So if I do that, I'm gonna have to take the interior out anyway. So granted, the car's not in the greatest spot. I'm just gonna make sure that it's secure to be like jacked up, and then I'll be sending it out. Because this is really all bad. So firstly, let's check and see where the top hat screw thing is. Yeah, literally not there. Like, I'm pretty sure what they did was they thought that you have to take that one out too, so they unscrewed it and like forgot or something, or it vibrated out because they didn't torque it down when they loosened it. But that doesn't just happen. And unfortunately, well, yeah, unfortunately, because I'm pretty sure these front coils are, well, this front coil is done. I'm not going to be able to recoup the money from it, because for one, it's broken, and for two, these were like one of the main things, since these are like some $2,500 coilovers. Now I was going to sell them to one of my boys for like $500 just because he wants some better coilovers, and just because I'm not going to need them. But looks like that can't happen. But I guess I'll be bagging the 36 either this weekend or the coming week. But yeah, that's very, very unfortunate that it happened this way as opposed to the more fortunate way. But I'll catch you guys in the next one, as this day is another fail. Like, there's been a lot of them, and I'm hoping there's no more. Granted, there probably will be. But yeah, at the end of the day, we'll get it done. So thanks for watching. Like, comment, share, subscribe, and drink water, motherfuckers.